What does it do, guys? Get to work. I have 4 pounds of chicken hearts. I'm gonna keep some of them whole. The rest I'm gonna chop. Let me mix this around. This has salt, garlic powder, and basically just blood.
Whatever you want, we can do it. You got my heart, call it Cuban. Pull up on me, it's a movie. You say that you leaving, you stupid. By my little queen, I go war with the Navy. I'm killing the president, sister, and baby. So what you think you gonna get if you try to play me? I'm shooting shit, jealous shit like all the Lakers. Whatever you want, we can do it. You got my heart, call it Cuban. Pull up on me, it's a movie. You say that you leaving, you stupid. Go to the city and ride on some scooters. We go to the movies and push up the Hooters.
We got our Catfish Mazluma cutting board. And
whatever you want, we can do it. You got my heart, call it Cuban. Pull up on me, it's a movie. You say that you leaving, you stupid.
I'm just gonna chop them up and no touch. Yeah, you eating, baby. No touch.
They wanna talk, but I ain't hearing it. Instagram, yeah, man, nigga, that's silly. Passing the Drake, little twin gon' hit it. Pop out the tray,
I don't know, bro. What are we gonna talk about today? While I cut this up. Oh, you know this for the fish?
Yes!
That's my boy. Oh, so my stove is broken. Well, my oven is broken. It just stopped working. But I had a dirty dish rag, right? I had just like clean the counter and wash some dishes and anyways. And it was like wet or whatever, right? So the handle on the oven door, I put a dish rag on there, just laid it out so it can dry out, right? The dude that came over to check my oven is like, he's a white dude, but he does not care that this dirty ass dish rag is like wet and just, yeah, he just touching all over it, opening and closing the refrigerator doors, and I'm just sitting there like, kind of disgusted because I low-key forgot to move it. But yeah, he just didn't care. And it threw me for a whole Fruit Loop. It was disgusting. I know you want to touch it, but it's nasty, baby. If you touch it, you're going to have to wash your hands and start eating. We'll start eating and then wash your hands. You okay with that? Okay. Touch it. No. Hey, talk to me like a man. You said no. Okay, but you do want to wash your hands? Yeah. Okay. Let's go then. Pause. wasted it. All over the floor. Hey, it's one thing to waste the water. It's another thing to play with it in my face. Get up and move. Thank you.
Supreme, 84 body with a 357. I'm pushing 120. You think that I'm bluffing? Keep me a gun cause I know shit get ugly. I shoot at the cost if it came down the muffin. My mama forever, she know that I'm thugging. Jumped out the court with my brother and cousin. Romeo wouldn't throw back me a third. The drill ain't the same when I slide off a perk. I'm shooting at games, ain't showing no mercy. I ain't getting no money till you touch the 30. Shout out bitch, I know how to see this bitch on my ass, free help out the mid. Me and Ball on the road and rock round 12. We back on that ugly, that pack out the smell. We duck from Brian, that nigga the devil. We really some choppers, a whole nother level. Big people in the plot, we talk like a leaf. This Glock ain't regular, this bitch got a beat. I'm shooting 160, that's all MVP. You play on my gang, go leave you to see. Big ass Glock in the can with the lead. Fuck nigga play, get put on the tee.
Waiting on my killer on clutch in the 10. Duck the bitch out and I brought in a friend. Me and Ross Stone be switching out 10. I just got back out and go up again. I been lit in my first little 10. Free bit help make traffic the trend. I taught him little hill to let get that money, nigga start trying to spend. She want me, I'm trying to take down my friend. Like big and crazy, I been shooting on my kin. Play pulling in, I ain't need y'all to pin. Off of the little PA gon' spin. Call up my room, tell them swap out the van. Tracking up P ride around in the bin. These niggas crawling to that shit to the chin. Shit got me geeking, I don't know what I'm saying. Beef fast rip, put a box on your chin.
Me and the guy grown raw, I'm in the color Supreme. 84 body with a 357. I'm pushing 120. You think that I'm bluffing? Keep me a gun cause I know shit get ugly. I shoot at the cost if it came down the muffin. My mama forever, she know that I'm thugging. Jumped out the court with my brother and cousin. Romeo wouldn't throw back me a third. The drill ain't the same when I slide off a perk. I'm shooting at grannies, ain't showing no mercy. I ain't getting no money till you touch a 30. Shout out bitch, I know how to sit. This bitch on my ass, free help out the mid. Me and Ball on the road and rock round 12. We back on that ugly, that pack got the smell. That pack got the smell, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga, fast shit, wreck, nigga. Get all with me, nigga.
Hey, man. These niggas just went the fuck in, man. Y'all niggas better catch up.
Hey, Daddy.
You want to be in the camera? All done. All done. Let it go. Put it down. Why, Taylor? Look at me, I'm talking to you. Why did you mess with the camera? Do you want to be in the video? Do you want to be in the camera? Yeah? Hey. You want camera time? Why you mess with daddy camera though? Come sit down. Closer. Come closer. Come here. Sit here. Is that better? it up,
Keep
please.
it 10 on, carry no 9. Ask somebody if you think I'm a dime. Will the bell, bitch, you know he the ticket. We the ones who be causing attention. If you think to put us in your mention, that I tend to give you some extension. I had to jump out the porch. Money told me ain't getting no help. Started out with a zip in the house. I did that shit all by myself. Now I'm grabbing a bat from the club. All I done, I feel like I'm the man. I really be hard on drugs. Started kid is seducing his hand. Don't think it's a game, you come around playing, just know me again. We got still like the band. These niggas be talking, they ain't really shooting. DTOVs, who the fuck is your clan? I keep the person inside, lean, bring it to your stuff like the doorman. Push that nigga say he won't smoke, get his ass hit like a dope pen. Talk to the
Almost
repeat,
all
you
done
want me
with
to
this
slide. I gotta get rid from my auntie and God. Go to your hood and kill all of the flies. You think you a killer, call me by surprise. I know some shooters who know how to buy. He picked up a glizzy before he can call. Hit a little Ivy, he come in one call. I bet you he die before any of us fall. I have it done shit like a honor. I keep my mask on like a honor. My mama said go to school like I wanted. I graduated, now I got a diploma. Beat that block, I'm trying to run at that green. Fashion records, beat them motherfucking team. You niggas hoes getting bet for the free. Better ask, I used to hang out the Jeep. 60 days, twin heart on the beat. Baby know how we get on the street. You nigga acting like a motherfucking flea. By the God, know we push it to sleep. I got bros who be banging for Pete. Love a kill, know he came from the east. Keep my gun for any nigga won't be. You niggas singers, know I'm tired of the street. Rider go and get some money, you broke. You niggas lame, putting on for some hoes. Crush you supposed to keep my 10 in the coat. Let a nigga play me like I'm a joke. Shooting 3, nigga call me the GOAT. I'm smoking gas, nigga, this ain't no dope. Puff for art till that shit overthrow. Faces ass in a whole different coat. I'm in the store with the guys. With the amigo, he ready to slide. Keep it 10 on, carry no 9. Ask somebody if you think I'm a dime. Will Lavelle, bitch, you know he the ticket. We the ones who be causing attention. If you think to put us in your mention,
Thank you
that
for
I
trying
tell
to
you
fix
give you
it.
some extension. I had to jump out the porch. Money told me ain't getting no help. Started out with a zip in the house. I did that shit all by myself. Now I'm grabbing a bat from the plug. All I done, I feel like I'm the man. I really be hard on drugs. Started kid is seducing his hand. Don't think it's a game, you come around playing, just know me again. We got still like the band. These niggas be talking, they ain't really shooting. DTOVs, who the fuck is your clan? I keep the person inside, lean, bring it to your stuff like the doorman. Push that nigga say he won't smoke, get his ass hit like a dope pen. Talk to the repeat, you want me to slide? I gotta get rid from my auntie and God. Go to your hood and kill all of the flies. You think you a killer, call me by surprise. I know some shooters who know how to buy. He picked up a glizzy before he can call. Hit a little Ivy, he come in one call. I bet you he die before any of us fall. I have it done shit like a honor. I keep my mask on like a honor. My mama said go to school like I wanted. I graduated, now I got a diploma. Beat that block, I'm trying to run at that green. Fashion records, beat them motherfucking team. You niggas hoes getting bet for the free. Better ask, I used to hang out the Jeep. 60 days, twin heart on the beat. Made it know how we get on the street. You nigga acting like a motherfucking flea. By the God, know we push it to sleep. I got bros who be banging for Pete. Love a kill, know he came from the east. Keep my gun for any nigga won't be. You niggas singers, know I'm tired of the street. Told her snap, throw me in my cannon, niggas slime me in my city. Lord, think that shit forever, that's why I always keep my blick stuff back inside my tent, and now my gun hold 30 shots. Hit a nigga with this switch, he go to acting on my block. Uno say I gun, so shoot it up, they think we finna stunt. See her look at my new G-Lock, you would think it pack a front. No, we really in that feel like Call of Duty, we gon' hunt. No, we on some money shit, but quit the stuff you in the blunt. Why DT know I'm a rock, you see the pain that's in my eye. But the one that hate my guys, I'm bound to put you in the sky. By J-Lo, I'm bound to cry, you know Big Bro gon' make a way. Keep that K at all time, we like to rock the baby J. No little girl gon' work that stick, your partner you even try to play. We gon' work on double lock with button, that's a closed case. In the city, Jane living with them snakes and babies. In the store with hella guns, we got switching baby J. Nigga faking in the street, but whole time he a bitch. Nigga swear he went on feet, we posted up with 2-3 sticks. Nigga pushed up to my hood and thought that shit was gonna be cake. Got a no little pizza loaded off the bar, can't catch a break. In the field, it got to go, that's why we caught the baby Drake. That nigga thought he had on one, he tried to take from on my plate. Baby Ark and Marco Keisha bound to catch another snake. Tell the dirt come to the hood, we ain't seen that nigga face. It been a minute though, little a twin, let's smoke the wood and catch Jose. Hey, Lil Jack, you went to jail for flexing guns at the cell. Then y'all should've took some notes instead, somebody had to fail. Keep it singing on them beat, cause you ain't really in that field. Bunch you posted with my team, tryna catch another kill. Told us not throw me in my cannon, niggas slime me in my city. You don't think that shit forever, that's why I always keep my blick and stuff the back inside my tent. And now my gun hold 30 shots. Hit a nigga with this switch, he go to acting on my block. Uno say I gun so shoot it up, they think we finna stunt. See a look at my new G-Lock, you would think it pack a punch. No, we really in that feel like Call of Duty, we gon' hunt. No, we on some money shit, but quit the stuff you in a blunt.
Yeah, I know she a freak for me, she been in that